In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide comments in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to remove comments from view, restore them if needed, and permanently delete them when they're no longer useful. Open the Notion page that contains the comments you want to hide. Click the Comments button or select the comment thread you want to manage. Notion doesn't have a dedicated Hide button for comments. Instead, the easiest way to remove a comment from view is to resolve it. Click the comment thread, then select Resolve. The comment will disappear from the page while remaining available in the comment history. If you need to view the comment again, click the comments icon in the top right corner of the page and open the list of resolved comments. Find the comment you want and select Reopen to restore it to the page. If you no longer need the comment at all, open the comment menu, click the three dots and choose Delete. Keep in mind that deleting a comment is permanent and cannot be undone. Using Resolve is the best option if you simply want a cleaner workspace while keeping a record of past discussions. That's how to hide comments in Notion. Thanks for watching.